Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a new video, a new experiment. The experiment is highlighter experiment. So let's go into the video.
For this experiment we have taken the highlighter, half a lime, cotton bud. So now let's see how to do this. So we use the highlighter and we highlight some text in this book. So I have highlighted these. So after highlighting, in case you think you want to erase it, take this lime, rub the cotton bud into the lime, let the juice get into the bud, and now you rub it over the text. See, the highlighted area is vanished off. So this is the experiment. So this has turned out to be a success, a nice try. If you all also want to do this, if you all have come into this scenario, you all can use this lime to erase the highlighted area. This experiment is a success.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more interesting video and click the bell button for more video and you'll get the notification. So bye.